Hey everybody, it's me. Check out this power bank. I got this one here is 42,800. So this one here is heavy duty. So if you've used some of those 10,000 ones, you know that they're somewhat good. It'll charge up a phone probably once. This will probably charge it 4 times. It'll charge my iPad. It'll charge anything. So we have here, it says Sudrov welcome guide. And then here is the battery. And surprisingly, it's not as big as I thought it would be. But here we go. So it comes like this. It's got a little solar panel, which I'm sure would charge it extremely slow, but in a clutch, that would be good. We have the MagSafe charging on the back here, so we can connect it up to my phone here. Oh, it's already charging because of it's plugged in, but it's got that charging there. It has 3 little connectors here. It's got micro USB, which is cool, so that if I'm actually out somewhere and I want to just use my Fire Stick or something like that, I want to use that. It has USB-C and it has Lightning, so can I connect up with this phone, this older phone. So really cool like that. It has a little hook on here, so you can connect it up to something. I think it even had a little carabiner. It does have a carabiner, or however you have to pronounce that. There, so you can hang it with that and hook it onto something. Got a compass, not sure I would too much rely on that, but, or no, that's not even a compass, that's a thermometer. It says it's 80 degrees in here, so maybe it is. Okay, and then on the side we have, this is how we can charge it. We can use this and then just plug it into a USB, traditional USB port to charge it. So that's cool. So we have, it's kind of nice that it has all the wires built into it for everything. So it really saves us from having to carry wires. On this side here, we have a USB out, USB-C and out, so we can charge it that way too. And then we have an in, so that one's just USB-C in if we just want to charge that way. It came with a USB-C to USB-C plug. I don't know if you can see both sides of that, but there we go. So it came with all of that. We have a power button here on the side, which is going to tell us we have 3 dots lit, so it looks like it came with a charge currently. We have a flashlight on there as well. I think that was by holding down the power button and pushing it again makes it flash, and holding it down turns it back off again. So this is a fully featured one. It's got rubber on the sides here, so if you hit it on something, it's not gonna fall apart. So it's really cool. It's got lots of features to it. And it has that little light there, I guess, to let me know that was ready to be charged. So it is a nice power bank, and I'm gonna go charge this up, and this will be my good emergency one, and taking this one camping and stuff. And I like the way I can just carabiner it onto the side of my backpack or something like that and always have it with me. So really cool device. So if you need a big 42,800 milliamp battery, this would be a good one to get. Thumbs up.